pretty tender, but pretty taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something more than I did it. Shame to tell my friends how much I do for you, cause they know that you would never.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another channel. I have not been in this spot in a minute, behind the glitter. I'm about to miss my words, but the glitter wall. I haven't been in this spot in a minute. But anywho, y'all, we're back with another review. And I love this company, and this company loves me, okay? And their names is XrsBeauty. Yes, honey. When I see this box, every time I see this box, I think of Louis Vuitton. Maybe one day Louis Vuitton will come my way. I don't know. So they sent me a unit. Of course, we get all the things. The cap, the comb, the script. You know. If you know, you know what comes with it. Well, that didn't want to sit up. So they sent me, let's get into it. They sent me a 18-inch, okay. Density is a 150 density, okay. Oh, and we also have a sample. We have a sample that we're going to try. And it's a full unit. So let's show that. It is a full unit. Okay? It is a full, look at that. This is the first time they sent me a full unit. I got a full unit. This is a full unit. Look at it. Full, baby. Full. First time for everything. So, within this full unit, I have combs right here, right there, and I also have a elastic band in the back. I mean, at the bottom, sorry, yeah, at the bottom, if I need to grip it. But, yes, this is a full unit. Full, honey. You see that? Full. And it does come with elastic band, too, as well, if I need to strap it on, which I can show y'all that, too, as well. See? It comes with a strap right there. And it comes with, so if I need to strap it on there, I can. So this is a full unit. Remember that? Full. Okay? I can braid it. I could do whatever to this wig. 18 inches. And she's going on my head. Okay? And here we are with another review. Okay? So, girl, at this point, I'm trying to take off my little wig, honey. I had these braids on for weeks and weeks. It was just time to come on off. Okay? Now, I'm a little upset at myself because, you know, I realized I put too much damn glue on there. And if anybody know how to get this glue off, you know, off my scalp, well, maybe I should just use a stocking cap. But anyway, I'm just trying to get this wig off, let y'all know the process that, hey, this is how it be, girl. I got to use alcohol to really get this wig off, girl. It would just really get on my nerves. I just couldn't take it. I couldn't take it, girl. So, yeah, that's just what I had to do. Snatch that quick. That I would love to snatch them off like I can, but I can't, because, you know, I just can't do that now. Okay, I am back with the makeup. Ooh. Okay, but anyway, I got the unit. Okay. I got the unit. Let's put it on. I added some curls in there. Yeah. Period. Little flavor. Okay. Now, let's just pretty much go and get this put on. Let's glue it on, okay? Because clearly she is ready. Glue it on. And this is where it get busy at. Because, you know, now I'm about to perform and really put the wig on my head, okay? Ooh, I need some hair surgery. But you know what I'm saying? I still look good. I still rock the cut. I did a little diamond on my face or whatever. With my twin, we be vibing, okay? Girl, I don't know what I was thinking when I did this. I don't know what I was thinking, girl. I was just trying to pour on my head when I should just took a damn brush and just brush it and slick it, lick on my head, girl. But I don't know what I was thinking, girl. But I need to find another way to fast forward these videos, because, you know, seeing him moving in slow motion just not gonna work for me. But this is the contour that I'm giving y'all. The contour that I'm giving y'all, okay? I can't get the words out because my English is a little bit off. But don't worry about that. Just focus on the process, okay? I already got my makeup done, so I'm just in here slickly slick on the scalp, whatever. And remind you, honey, this stuff was drawn up so quickly, so the wig didn't even stick like I wanted to. You know, I had to go back and add some old slickly slick stuff on there. But anywho, this will just, you know, protect my scalp, I guess, because they even make sense, because my scalp wasn't even protected. But I'm going to start putting stocking caps on my head. Maybe I should start doing it. I feel like if I'm bald-headed, go ahead and just slap it on your head and make it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? But maybe I know something different. Y'all could tell me something in the comments, girl. You know what I'm saying? Give me another vibe, whatever. Because I want to get this hair surgery so bad. You know what I'm saying? Because, I mean, I really need this hair surgery, okay? I'm trying to make the coin. But anywho, I'm over here just trying to figure it out, dry it out, blow it out. It's burning my damn scalp because I just literally washed my hair the day of. Girl, my nose is running back here. Oh, Jesus Christ. But anywho, yeah, girl, I'm trying to get it together, girl. I'm gonna put this wig on, I'm gonna slap it on. This is what it giving, okay? I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm trying to cut it. Oh yeah, I'm trying to cut it so it can fit in the proper position that I need to fit or whatever. Because again, we don't want this to come on off, girl. Because if she come on off, it's gonna be a problem. Me and my vibe, me and my twinnie. So anywho, as you can see, I'm about to put her on, you know what I'm saying, get her in shape or whatever like that, you know, so that's just how it's about to be, whatever. So as I put her on, you know, I'm like, okay. Girl, it was a lot going on, you know what I'm saying? I think I'm stuttering. I think the gel stuff was a little too sticky, so all the flyaways were just kind of everywhere. So, but I made it work. Trust and believe, I made it work, okay? Best believe you're going to see when I really put this thing on. I made it work, okay? Once I cut the script, okay? I'm just trying to get the shape up in the back, whatever. But I love this full lace wig. I love that they sent this to me, whatever. You know, she is 18 inches, and she look fab. Yeah, she definitely looks fab. And here I go again. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. This is the best part. Okay, I'm looking kind of confused, trying to get it together. Let's snip it, girl. All right, there we go. And we're going to cut this one. All right, come on. Come on in. Hurry up. Let's get together. Let's cut it now. I'm looking all confused, like I don't know where to start, where to begin, or nothing, girl. Oh, Lord, help me, Jesus. Come on now. Let's cut. Snip, snip. I thought I had messed it up. I did. I thought I had messed it up because I was looking mighty confused, like snip, snip, snip. But eventually, I got it together, okay? It all came out how it was supposed to came out, okay? So, yeah, you know, I'm used to the wig. I'm used to the wigs are, you know, already styling and profiling your hair, but because this one, it was like more like a roundish, so I had to really make it fit my scalp and my head, shape my head the way I want it, whatever. But like I said, it turned out good. Okay, this was a good product, and she is soft. She's soft. Okay, she did. She soft, whatever. And that part, and it was a good idea. I put some curls on her head because the curls came out good. Because I was like, girl, I don't know what I'm gonna do, honey. I don't know if I'm gonna bone straight it, but I'm so glad I put them curls up in there, honey. Because if you go watch my Snapchat, you'll see that I put every last. I didn't know what I was gonna do with that. I was looking all confused, right? Girl, I ain't getting frustrated. By the time I got frustrated, let's go ahead and play it off. I done got frustrated. Okay, y'all. That was just the little attachments, whatever. And now I'm going to lay it down and take it off. Ooh, baby. Baby. I like this part that I got. Oh, just to let y'all know that it is a, you know, no, I can't see back there, but let me see. Yeah, so I can also put in the ponytail. Okay? Remember that. I can put it in the ponytail. It's a whole full lace. I'm here, better man. Ooh. Okay, I'm giving y'all life with this cut. I mean, with this curls. I don't want no baby edges, no. I want this to look real natural on my scalp. Let's go talk about it. Come on. Okay, I am back. I wanted to show y'all this sample that we have. This is nuclear lace. So I wanted to show y'all that real quick before we get into this hair. Okay, so I'm going to just spray some spray on my arm or whatever, as y'all can see. And then I'm just going to put the nuclear lace on there so you guys can see that, the difference in the laces. Okay? Baby, look at that. That's what you call new. What is it again? Nuclear lace? Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Add a little more now. Clear. Crystal clear in my skin. It blends in. So, that's what we want. So, but check out this, okay? This is luxury. This, yeah, I'm a scalp. Oh my God, I love this. I like the way I curled it. I love it. I gave it a body. You know, what? Little Kim, okay? All that, girl. Let me show you the back. Okay? It is a full unit. You can also add a ponytail in it if I wanted to. If I wanted to, I could. With the wannabe, huh? Okay? Period. That's what it gives. But yes, make sure y'all hit them up, okay? RSR. Let me see. I don't want to get it mixed up. Oh, I said R. I mean XrsBeauty, okay? Don't want to get it mixed up. Excuse me on that one. That was a little disrespectful. But, yeah, y'all get into it. I gotta go somewhere. Somebody gotta see me. So, I don't know. I gotta go somewhere. But, I'll put the information in the description bar. Y'all go get it. Tell them I sent you, okay? And we're back with another one. Gotta go, girl.
Thank you for your service.
Pretty face, pretty tender, but pretty taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something more than I did it. Shame to tell my friends how much I do for you, cause they know that you would never